to another video with Manny Moumdjian at Easy Choice Financial Credit Repair. Today we're going to talk about, are the credit bureaus scoring the same with all the credit bureaus, whether it be online reporting or by banks when they pull your hard inquiry credit reports? The reason I'm asking you is, are your scores accurate? Do you think they're accurate? When you pay for these credit scores online, they're called plus scores. They're not your FICO scores. And what happens with that is they're not exactly what a bank is looking for. So are you actually wasting your money by doing those things? They have credit monitoring systems all over the place. They're called fly traps for me, but they're really spin-off companies of all the credit bureaus. So what they do is they access the consumer's information and they tell them they're monitoring their credit. But really, can anybody stop you from being violated? So the question here is, are you being violated? Are your credit scores really accurate? So I want you to just think about that. Ponder that thought, okay? Because when we're looking at the credit reports, they're never the same. Is that correct? The scores are never accurate. They're never identical either. And why is that? That's because when the vendor reports, or the creditor, if you will, when they report to the credit bureaus, okay, not all of them report to all the bureaus. So that's one thing you need to know. The other day somebody was telling me that they got a secured card from a bank, a local bank in California. And the bank only reported the secured credit card to Equifax only. Well, wow, I mean, if it reported to all three, it would benefit that client a lot more than just one. So no wonder the scoring is never the same, all right? So the mortgage companies, when they're pulling people's credit, they're looking at all the scores. They normally pick the middle score because they know it's always different, it's never the same. Or else they would just use one score and not worry about the other two companies, right? The other two bureaus. So you really want to look at that. Are they reporting accurate information in your credit reports? That's what we do, if you will. We're a credit repair company that does forensic research on your credit reports. So we're making sure that everything is accurate 100%. So when we're looking at the credit reports thoroughly, we're basically looking to make sure that they dotted all the I's, crossed all the T's, making sure that everything is 100% accurate. And I'll give you an example about that. The other day, one of my borrowers got a letter from their mortgage company in the mail. And the letter said that the balance on their account was so much. Now, we're looking at the credit reports and they're different. The balance is different. So, are you being penalized and not know it? Are your scores lower because they don't have accurately reported information? That's what I'm kind of talking about. A lot of people don't understand that. Normally, after we dispute accounts for consumers, we notice that a lot of the collection agencies, the creditors, okay, they're reporting re-age dates. So I want to give you an example. If I take a 5-year-old collection and I re-aged it to last month, March of 2013, well, guess what? That just became a brand new collection. No wonder your scores are dropping all the time and not fluctuating or going back up like they should. What is that though? Is that fair to the consumer? Does that mean that you're being extorted and not even know it? Are they twisting your arm behind your back and you don't even know that it's happening to you? Because everywhere you go, you're just getting turned down. Sooner or later, it could drive you crazy. You can get frustrated from it. You might be like so pissed off about it that you just want to pay it, okay? And I don't want that to happen to you. So if you do have these things on your credit reports, please contact us, because we want to help you with it. We want to thoroughly go through your credit reports and make sure you're not being violated as a consumer, okay? This is Manny Moumdjian here with Easy Choice Financial. Looking forward to helping you at all times. Our toll-free number to get a hold of us is 888-655-6768, or you can reach us locally at 949-732-1167. You can also reach us on the web at www.e as in Edward, Z as in Zebra, choicefinancial.com. Manny at easychoicefinancial.com is my direct email, so please email me if you need anything. Thank you very much.